Okay, hey everybody. I don't even know what day it is because I'm so tired. I've been working so many hours. It's Tuesday night, like 8:30. I'm hot. Um, I'm having a bad hair day, and I've been working a million hours. But I think I got the car to run. So this is what this little video clip is. So let's see what happens. So there's the engine. It's kind of dark in here. Almost all finished up there. Flames. Okay, let's see what happens. So there it is. It's running. I'll be driving this tomorrow. Oh, I have to show you my lights. Real proud of these. Got LED lights. Super bright. Aha, cool. Hey, thanks for watching my video clip.